In this video, we're going to do the Khan Academy Challenge, My Favorite Foods. So in this case, we are learning to write out text with JavaScript, and so the first thing they want us to do is to just write my favorite food. So I'm just going to come in here. I'm going to give myself a fill so I have a color, and I'm going to change this all the way to black. And then I'm going to choose text size, and I'm just going to put 30 and my semicolon, and then I'm going to do text, and then I need to use my quote so that it actually puts out text, and I want it to say my favorite foods, and close my parentheses, semicolon, and enter. And what did I do wrong? I didn't tell it where I wanted it to be, so I need to put the X and the Y, so I'm going to put 38 and 51. Alright, so now my favorite foods shows up right there. I'm going to hit enter, and if I wanted the same fill, I wouldn't have to do that again, but I want to add some colors and make it more interesting. So yeah, let's do that. And then it's also telling us, what's it telling me? Okay, it says now it wants me to make a list, so I'm going to do that. I mean, really, I'm just gonna copy all this stuff here. So copy, copy, copy. So now I have the same thing printed out 4 times in the same spot. So then really all I have to do is come in here and pick different colors. I'm going to make a little bit smaller of a size, and I need to move it a little bit. So actually I'm going to just keep them all at 38. I'm just going to move them down a little bit, and I'm just going to put 1 pizza and delete all this stuff, and then I'm going to put this one is going to say no one can argue with pizza, and then I'm going to say must eat pizza, and add my 2, and then now I need to adjust these. I want this to be 14 and 14, and then let's try like 137 and 162, and yeah, now these are not exactly the best spacing right here, but I can adjust that a little bit. That looks better. So yeah, I mean, I think that counts as doing it. I've printed out text. I've told it, given it X and Y, told it where to be, and oh, I didn't change my colors here. Let's do that. So do that, and alright, that's it. All done.